Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons. My name is Teacher Inaz Al-Hadathi. So I hope you have your books ready because today we will start our new unit. As you can see on your screen, the name of the unit is called Days and Weather. Days and Weather. This will be lesson number 1. So make sure you have your books ready at Days and Weather. Let's start. Bismillah. By the end of this lesson, inshallah, my dear student, you are expected to name the days of the week. How many days do we have each week? What are they? Also, we'll be able to introduce different parts of the day. As we will learn in this lesson, we have different parts of each and every day. Also, you will be able to name the months. How many months do we have according to the Gregorian calendar? Let's revise our previous lesson. In the previous lesson, and that was the end of the second unit, time. We introduced the word time and we were able to use prepositions of time in, on, at. We will discuss this even now. Also, we were able to use before and after with time. Okay? So, for the prepositions of time that we learned before, we have in, on, and at. When do we use in? When do we use on? And when do we use at? If you could remember, my dear student, I use in with parts of the day. The reason of me revising prepositions of time is because we will use them again in our unit days and weather. Okay, so I use in with morning, afternoon, and evening. So what are these? These are parts of the day. Okay, also we will use in with February. So that's a month. Again, we will use it in our lesson. Also, we will use in with the season, spring, summer, fall, winter, years, 2014 and 1990s. Very good. As for on, we'll be using them with days. This is the name of our unit, right? Days and weather. As you can see, on Sunday, on Monday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, on May 5th, on Wednesday evening, and so on. Okay, so they are used with days and dates. While at, we will use them with time. For example, night, 10:30, noon, midday, midnight, bedtime, weekend, and so on. So these were the prepositions of time that we are going to use again since we are talking about days. Days of the week. What do we mean by this word, days? What do we mean by the word week? As you can see here, my dear student, I have all the days of the week. Let's go ahead, and they are in the correct order. Starting from the first day, I have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So let's try to read it one more time. This time I'll go faster. Okay? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay? So how many days do we have each week? We have 7 days. Very good, my dear student. We have 7 days each week. Okay? As you can see, I divided the days of the week into 2 parts. Why is that? Because some of these days we go to work, we go to school, right? But other 2 days we don't. What do we call them? I call them weekdays. So starting from Sunday till Thursday, these are the days that here in Saudi Arabia we go to work and we go to schools, right? While on Friday and Saturday we don't, because they are weekends. They are weekends. Again, so I have 2 parts. Weekdays, these are the days that we go to work, and I have weekends, these are the days that we don't. we just relax and stay home, or perhaps do some activities. Let's read the days for the last time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good, my dear student. Now, these are the days of the week. To your left, I have the numbers or the order of these days. To your right, I have the names of these days. So what are we going to do? We need to match them with the numbers that will make us have the days in the correct order, okay? Starting with the first day of the week. So the first day of the week that we start our work or we go to school is Sunday. So Sunday is the first day, okay? First day. Now notice that I use the word first, not one, first, because we will talk about something that's called ordinal numbers, okay? So Sunday is the first day. Next, what do I have? I have Monday. So Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second. Very good. Next, I have Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Very good. Next, I have Wednesday. Very good. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Excellent, my dear student. It's the fourth. Next, Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Fifth day of the week. Very good. Next, I have Friday, which is the sixth day of the week. The last day of the week, still, we are Friday. These are the weekends. We have also Saturday, which is the seventh day of the week. So let's read the days of the week in the correct order. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Remember, I have weekdays and I have weekends. Very good. Now, as you can see here, I will introduce three different words. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Okay, what do I mean by this? And below I have this, which we call the timeline. Okay, let me explain what do I mean by today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So as you can see in this picture, the picture to your left, the day is Monday, okay? But that was yesterday. Today, while I'm speaking now, we are on Tuesday, okay? So, Tuesday, the day before, which was yesterday, is Monday. But tomorrow will be Wednesday. Very good. So let's read. Yesterday, it's Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now this is very important because in the next slide, I'll be asking you to complete similar activity. So let's read one more time. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Notice that they are in the right order. I have Monday, then I have Tuesday, tomorrow I will have Wednesday. Okay? So this is the meaning, or these are the meaning of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Now, let's go to the next slide and let's complete. I gave you the first one as an example, okay? Today is Monday. So yesterday was, if today is Monday, yesterday was what, my dear student? Yesterday was Sunday. Very good. Yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good, my dear student. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Now, I know you can do this one. Let's go to the next one. Now, I gave you the answer. Today is what? Today is Friday. Very good. Today is Friday. So now, if today is a Friday, yesterday was what, my dear student? What's the day that comes before Friday? That will leave us with Thursday. Very good, my dear student. Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, tomorrow. Tomorrow will be what? What do you think? Saturday. Very good, Saturday. So today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Very good, very good. Now let's go to the next one. Now I gave you the answer. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. Very good. Today is Wednesday. Okay, if today is Wednesday, yesterday was what, my dear student? Yesterday was Tuesday. Very good. Yesterday was Tuesday. Very good. And the next one, tomorrow will be Thursday. Excellent, my dear student. Very good. Now, I hope you got the meaning of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Now, I have several questions for you. Below, I have the possible answers. Below, I have all the days of the week. Depends on the question. Now, let's go ahead and read the first question. What day is before Saturday? So what comes before Saturday, my dear student? What do you think? If you could remember the correct order, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So what comes before Saturday is Friday. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Friday. Next. What day is after Wednesday? What day comes after Wednesday? What do you think? Now let's remember. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The answer is Thursday. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Next. What day is after Sunday? What day is after Sunday? What do you think? This is an easy one. Sunday, Monday. Very good. Excellent, my dear student. Last question. What day is before Tuesday? What day is before Tuesday? The answer is again Monday. Very good. Monday. Excellent, my dear student. Now, let's introduce months of the year. As we have in our calendar, Arabic Islamic calendar, we goes by Muharram, Safar, Dhul Qa'dah, as we discussed, and we are going to discuss them lengthily in the third semester. We will talk about the Gregorian calendar. These are the months that are often used worldwide. These are the months that we have, starting from the first one. First of all, how many days do I have in each week? I have 7 days, right? But how many months do I have? Each year I have 12 months. I have 12 months. Starting from the first one, let's read together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now let's put the numbers. So January is the first month. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. How many months do we have? We have 12 months each and every year. Okay? Now, let's have some activities. Months of the year, write them in the correct order. So to your left, I have all the months, but they are not in the right order. So let's go ahead and put the numbers as we did earlier. Starting from the first one, that will be January. So January is the first month. January. After that, I will have February. Very good. That's the second. Very good. Second. Next, January, February, March. Very good, my dear student. That's the third month. Now notice that I use ordinal numbers because we will talk about them in our unit. Okay? So I have the first, second, and third. Next, January, February, March. April is the fourth month. Very good. April is the fourth month. Next, May is the 5th. Next, June is the 6th. Next, July is the 7th. Very good. Let's go on. August is the 8th. September is the 9th. Very good. October is the 10th. November is the 11th. December is the 12th and the last month of the year. Okay, my dear students, so these are the months we have, and they are 12. They are 12. Now let's complete with the next month. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's try to fill the train. March, April, May. So what comes after May is June. Very good. So March, April, May, June. Okay, let's go to the next train. August, September, October. So what comes after October is November. Very good, my dear student. Next, January, February, March. What comes after March is April. Very good. Next, I have September, October, November, and I have the last month, which is December. Very good, my dear student. Excellent. Now, you have this at your books at page 46. Go ahead and open your books and have your pencils by your side in case you want to take any notes. I will zoom in for the first part, and then I will go to the lower part. As you can see, this is page 46. Which month do we have here, my dear student? I have January, right? Now, what I need you to do is, this is a paper or a page of the calendar. Here I have the name of the month, right? It's January. Here I have the year we're in. And then here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have the days of the week, right? So if I ask you, my dear student, how many days do we have in January? How many days do we have in January? I have the number. I have 31 days. I have 31 days. Okay, let me ask you another question. How many Fridays do we have in January? So what are we going to do now? We will go to the word Friday and count. How many Fridays do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 Fridays. Okay. How many Mondays do we have? So we will go to the word Monday and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 Mondays, and so on. Okay, so this is a page or a paper of the calendar. We have the month, the year, number of the weeks, and number of days. Okay, let's go to the next slide. This is the lower part. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the words, the days of the week. Sunday, that's the first day, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, as I told you before, these 5 days are called the working days or the weekdays. These are the days that we go to work, to schools, okay? But Friday and Saturday, we don't go to school, we don't go to work. They are called weekends. These are the off days because we don't go to school, right? Very good. Now, for the lower and the last part of page 46, number 3, say, write, and circle. Today is, yesterday is, tomorrow is. Now, we circle the answer for you. It's the red one, okay, which is number 7. Today is what? Now you have to go, as I told you before, the days are on the top of the calendar. Today is what? Today is Thursday. Very good, my dear student. Today is Thursday. Very good, excellent. But yesterday, now it's very easy. Just go ahead to the day before, which is Wednesday. Very good. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow is or tomorrow will be Friday. Very good, my dear student. Make sure that you have the correct answer in your books. Now, let's try to complete this. As you can see, what shall we complete this with, my dear student? With the days, with the months? What do you think? Very good. We are going to complete it with the months of the year, starting from January. Next, I have February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Very good, my dear student. Okay, so here we completed the 12 months of the year. Now, let me introduce two phrases that we might use, AM and PM. By looking at the picture, my dear student, now I have two windows, right? Same house, same window, okay? But different what? Different time. The one to your left is 9 o'clock AM. That means it is in the morning, right? In the morning. I can see the sun, so most probably we are in the morning, AM, okay? The next one, same window, but different time. It is 9 o'clock PM. It's dark, probably evening, okay, or night, so it's 9 o'clock PM, okay? So I have AM and PM. Again, here as you can see, 11:59 is AM, 11:59 PM. Now, here I try to break it for you. When do we start having AM in our time, and when do we start using PM? For example, starting from midnight, that is 12 o'clock. Midnight, I will start using AM, okay? If it passes 12 midnight, that's AM. 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 AM. Until we reach midday, that's 12 in the midday, 12 noon, okay? We will start using PM, okay? 6 PM until we reach 12 midnight, and then we will start using AM again, okay? I hope that's clear for you. Now, look at this picture. While using the word good morning, is it AM or PM, my dear student? While using the word good morning, is it AM? Do we use to greet each other in the morning? That is AM. Very good. AM in the morning. AM. Very good. How about this one? AM or PM? Taking the school bus to school. Do we do this AM or PM? AM. Excellent. Again, riding a bike after lunch. That's most probably after midday, after 12 o'clock. So the answer is PM. Very good. How about sunrise? That is AM, because the sun rises in the morning. Very good, my dear student. Now, this is page 47. As you can see in page 47, I have two parts. I will zoom in for the upper part, and then we will be moving to the lower one. Read and learn. As you can see, again, I have the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the weekdays, okay? Now, let's put them in the correct order. We already gave you the first one, which is Sunday, as number 1. What comes after Sunday, my dear student? Make sure you have your pencil so you can answer with me. Sunday. Next, I have Monday. Very good. That's the second, number 2. Number 3, I have, what do you think? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday is the third day. Very good. Next, I have Wednesday. That's the 4th day. Very good. Next, I have Thursday. That's the 5th day. Very good. Next, I have Friday. Next, I have Saturday. Very good, my dear student. This is the lower part. What's the time, or what time is it It is 7 a.m. What time is it? It is 7 p.m. So, what's the difference here? For the first one, we use the word a.m. because as you can see, it's daylight in the morning. Also, we might greet by saying good morning, right? But for the second one, we use p.m. 7 p.m. Why? Because it's dark in the evening, and we use the greeting good evening, okay, because it's dark. So we use a.m. as I told you, after midnight until midday 12, and then we will use p.m. So let's revise what we've learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we started our unit, days and weather. We talked about the days of the week. How many days do we have? We have 7. Also, we introduced the months. How many months do we have each and every year? I have 12 months. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.